If you would like to know how to make money online in South Africa, in this video, I'm about to share with you 3 ways in order to start generating an income online. Hi there, my name is Errol Muller, and before we get started, I highly suggest you subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as clicking the notification bell next to the subscribe button, as in the next couple of months, I will be sharing a lot of informative videos, a lot of results, and so forth. Now, I highly suggest you also pay very close attention and you listen to every single word that I'm about to say, because this is an action video. I don't want you to sit here like you're watching TV with your drool face. Exactly that. I don't want you to be that person. Please don't be that person. I'm going to ask you to do certain things. So, action step number one. If you are interested in making money online, especially in South Africa, I'm about to share with you 3 ways. Very first action step, comment below this video, interested. That's all. I'll wait for you. Honestly, I'll wait for you. I have the whole day. I'll wait for you. Comment below this video, interested. Because if you don't take action in life, if you are not an action taker, you will not receive anything in life. You will not achieve anything in life. If you want the good life, if you want to bring the good life into existence, you got to take action in order to bring that good life into existence. Unfortunately, that's the way it works. So you've got to take action. So first action step, comment below this video, interested. That is if you're interested in any one of these 3 ways. Then I know you are serious about making money online in South Africa. So I'm quickly going to tell you a little story about myself, of how I got started, all my failures, my very first success that I had, the good times, the bad times, and then I'm immediately going to delve into the 3 ways in order for you to make money online in South Africa. Now, do make sure that you watch this video right up until the end. Reason being, the last source is the very best source and the source that I recommend you look at, because that is the source that will pay you while you are sleeping, that will pay you while you are on holiday. That is the source that will pay you while you're working at your day job. So this is something you can do part-time. All 3 sources you can, but the very last source is this is my ultimate source. And you can't skip just right to the end, because there's certain steps that you have to complete. And the only way for you to get access to the source is by me inviting you. So you've got to make sure that you watch this video and complete the steps, and then I will be able to invite you to the source. Okay, so you can't just skip ahead and just go to the source. Okay, so a little bit about myself. I started back in the year 2013. It was 2013, the 14th of December. So it's about 6 years ago. That's when I started my online journey. So ever since then, I've wasted a lot of money. So the company that I joined is no longer in existence. The company's name used to be Empower Network. It used to be like a multi-level marketing company and more like a network marketing company. And I'm out of there. I've learned my lesson, but at the same time, I've made lots of money. So when I got started in the company, I've given it my all. I worked up until like 3 o'clock in the mornings. I was tired. Sweat was running down from my head. Sometimes I had tears in my eyes because I worked and I worked and I worked. I felt like I just wasn't succeeding to the point that I wanted to. And myself and my fiance back then, we didn't have a little one. So at this stage, I have a little one. He's almost 3 years old now. We went through a really, really rough time back then. You know, struggling to make ends meet. We barely had money for anything. So we were most of the time we were at home. And I was building my online business, and she was working. I was also working full time at that stage, and then I was building my business at night because I knew what I wanted in life. I knew that I wanted to succeed no matter what it's going to cost me. I wanted to create the life where I knew that it doesn't matter what it takes of me, I'm going to do it in order to create the lifestyle that I want. And I'm still in the process. I'm still every single day working towards creating the lifestyle that I want. And it changes every single year because there's certain things that you want in life, certain things that you don't want. So I've literally, when I started in the company, I took out a loan of 90,000 Rand. So in South Africa, that's a lot of money. 90,000 Rand. As soon as I took out the loan, I started making money with this company. And I'm not going to lie to you, I made $300 in one day, and I've made $500 in one day. That is a lot of money. That's over 5,000 Rand in one day. And you can ask any one of my friends. I'm not telling you a word of a lie. This is the honest truth. You can ask my family. You can ask my fiancée. I'm an honest person from the word go. So that is the amount of money that I made. And a week after I started making that money, the company closed down. Somebody in the back end in the financing department started stealing the money out of the company and I don't know, exporting it to some other store somewhere in the world, and I don't know exactly what happened, but the company closed down. And that literally, that broke me. That broke me into pieces. I cried. I didn't know what to do. Back then, I was left with, because I just took out the loan. The company closed down. I was left with 90,000 Rand in debt. And I did not know how I was going to pay it. But then again, that pushed me to work harder at my day job in order to move up in positions, in order to earn more so that I can pay for the loan. Something that I don't even have no longer, but I got to pay for it. So that is what I did, and I moved up within that company. I achieved different positions in my life. I made more money, and I paid my monthly payments back on the loan. So that was up until last year. Last year, around about September, October, I still owed the bank 76,000 Rand, of which I had the opportunity to pay back all of that money as a once-off payment. Entire 76,000 Rand that I put down once, and I finished that loan. So I don't have that loan anymore. Thanks to everything that I'm doing, thanks to all my sources, thanks to my creator, my father, who has helped me through this entire process. And like I said, I've been through the tough times. I know what it feels like. And you sitting right there might be going through the exact same thing right now. In all honesty, you might be struggling. You do have some money. So in life, you will invest with two sources. So it's either going to be that you'll have to invest with your time, or you will have to invest with money. Sometimes both. That is the way it works. That is the way life works. You will always have to invest with either one of the two, or sometimes both. So I've been through the tough times, and I know what it's like to sit there and you don't know what you're going to do. You don't know what you want to do, or maybe you know what you want to do. You just don't know how you're going to get there. That's fine, as long as you know what you want. You don't really necessarily have to know the how. All you've got to know is you know what you want. The how will start showing itself. The ways will come. You're just got to be aware of it. And this is one point already. You've got to be aware of it. So this video is already expanding your awareness. As you're sitting there, as you're watching and you're listening to every word that I'm saying to you, you are already expanding your awareness. Now, that's a quick little story about myself. So I'm not going to go into too much detail. I don't want to keep this video going for too long. It's already been going for 7 minutes. So let's delve right into the three sources or three ways. So way number one is through YouTube. So if you're sitting there, oh, please, Errol, don't start with YouTube. My friend, YouTube is one of the best sources in order for you to make money online. If you're only thinking about vlogging, making vlogs and putting it out there and waiting for all your subscribers and support, that's not the way to go about it. There's multiple ways for you to make money on YouTube, and I'll do a separate video just on that. So if you are interested in making money with YouTube, right now in the comment section below this video, comment there how to make money online on YouTube. That's it, how to make money online on YouTube. So after I've created the video, I will come back to this video, back to the comments, and I will reply to you and I'll say, listen, I've finished this video, here's the link, watch this video, this will help you in order to make money online on YouTube. So what you can do is, firstly, you can create yourself a big subscriber base, or a big follower base, and start making money through AdSense. That is kind of tough. What you also can do is you can sell other people's products on your videos. Sometimes people don't even think about it. You can actually get companies to pay you, to sponsor you for the things that you're promoting, or just by mentioning them in one of your videos. And I promise you, companies will pay anything from 5 to 20,000 Rand just for you to mention them or show them in one of your videos. If you have a big subscriber base, a big follower base. That's it. That's all. It's simple things like that. So I'll do a full video on that. That is YouTube, source number one. If you are interested, comment how to make money on YouTube below this video, and I will get back to you. So way number two, in order for you to make money online, is through trading. Now, and what I'm talking about is, it's called Forex trading. That is another way. Okay. So just to show you, let's get back to my YouTube channel. That is another way for you to make money online, is through Forex trading. And if you are interested, then again, I said this is an action video. Below this video, comment how to make money online with Forex trading. So how to make money online with Forex trading, and I will get in contact with you, and I will refer you to the exact source where I'm actually giving away a Forex trading course for free, and I will give you access to that entire course for free. Yes, for free. But you got to comment below this video and I will get in contact with you. Okay. So that is forex trading. Then source number 3, like I said, which is the most important source. That is the source that will help you to create the lifestyle that you really want. And that is, let me quickly show you. So before we really delve into that source, let me show you some results. So I literally went onto the Facebook group. Now you won't be able to access this Facebook group because you've got to be invited. This is on invitation only. This is only the Facebook group. This is not the business itself. Where I've asked people to share the results with me. I've literally posted this video recently. As you can see, I said, yeah, share your results. Note, please watch this video. And then that is the video. We have asked people to share the results with me. And then number 1 is share a picture of your results in the comments below this video. Number 2 is how long have you been with 4%? And then number 3, how much money have you made since you joined? And then the people started replying, and it's still in the process. Now I'm going to take you through 2 of the comments that I've received so far. So one is with Kenji Optimistic, and she says my results on ITM 24-hour module based on lesson 11, and then she's shared a picture of her results. As you can see, let's quickly click on the picture. So there's some of the results. The tracking, unique click-throughs, actions, action rate. So she's already received 41 leads. That's what it is. Then if you go back and you go look at Mike van Rensburg. Now Mike, I'm actually giving you free exposure here. So hi Mike, if you are watching this video. If you are watching, comment below this video. Say, just thank you for sharing this video, or, whatever it might be. So Mike is actually from Pretoria. There's he. Mike lives Pretoria, South Africa. There he says, I enrolled with 4% in December 2018, and my earnings so far are United States dollars, $1,944.60. The last payment advice is attached. Trusting the system 100% delivers results. He started in December 2018, which is like 4 months ago. Up until now, he's earned $1,900. His last paycheck that he received from the 4% through PayPal was 4% sent him 732 United States dollars. Guys, $1,000, just $1,000 in South Africa is about 14 to 15,000 rand. Come on, who can't do with 15,000 rand? That's just 2 of the results so far. So if I scroll up, if we have a look at this guy's results right here. So Paulo Baringel, hopefully I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing it correctly. He posted this March the 21st, which was a couple of days ago. These are his results, and then he put a very long post on here explaining his whole process and what he's gone through in life and so forth, like where he started and where he's currently at. These are all his payments. So $1,200, $308, and these are all from multiple sources of income through this one source, through this one business. It allows you to create multiple sources of income through one hub, one central hub. Look at this. These are all payments that he's received. Congratulations to you. If you are watching this video, well done, Paulo. I honestly wish you all the best, all the success in the world. And I can continue like this on and on and on. So let's go to another one. Let's quickly go to photos. Here's another one. Cheeky boom. This Jeff J. Perry looks like it's a man, so I thought it was a lady. He says there's thanks, Vic, and so forth. These are his results. So you got to sell. Your commission amount, $143. Now this is in dollars, but it's for South Africans as well, because I'm involved in it, and I just showed you another South African. Here's Elizabeth Raposo. Cheeky boom, she got to sell. Cheeky boom, she got to sell. So she got 2 sales in one day. Look at that. That's another person. These are real life people. Here's another person, Philip Giles. Hopefully I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Payout date 2019-03-15. That was now. His amount $460 that he got paid. And we can continue down the line and down and down. As you can see, these are pictures of real people. Pictures of, here's another guy, Michael K. Williams. There's his goal card. That is one of the steps that you have to complete. It's by creating a goal card for yourself. Here's another lady, Shell. I'm giving all of you guys free exposure in this video, but it just shows you. So these are all real life people. Here's another guy, Davin Scott. Here's another guy, Jason. These are real life people. Here's another lady. Kenji again. Let's scroll up. Here's another guy. Wilson, these are real life people. Here's another lady, Sarah Louise. Um, these are real life people sharing their results, sharing their life stories. Each and every single person here has got a story. You've got a story. There's a reason why you're watching this video, and there's a reason why I'm creating this video for you. Now, if you would like to get access to this business, to the source that I'm using, that the other South Africans are using, that these people are using, below this video, you have to comment how to make money online in South Africa. By doing that, I will get in contact with you. I will start a conversation with you, and I will pick up this thing, which is called a phone. I'll pick up this thing and I will phone you personally in order to invite you to this business. Then again, keeping in mind, like I said, you will either pay through your time or with money. This system, this process, this business will cost you $49 to get started. Now, if you're not willing to pay that $49, then there's no use of even commenting below this video. Please don't comment below this video if you're not willing to pay $49 just to get started. Okay, because this is serious. Like I said, this is for action takers. This is not for the drool face sitting in front of the TV, the person who's watching this video like it's a TV, and you don't take action. You want the good things out of life, but you don't want to take action. There's no use of doing that. Okay, do that. You gotta watch. You gotta comment below this video, how to make money online in South Africa, and I will get in contact with you. That is the step number one. Step number two is you have to share this video. Share this video on Facebook, because I will go and I will check out your Facebook page and I will see if you have actually shared the video, and I will comment below that post that you've shared. So you've got to share this video. So one step is you have to comment how to make money online in South Africa, and step number two is you have to share this video. Once you've completed both those steps, like I said, I will get in contact with you and we will take it from there. Disclaimer, I cannot guarantee any results. I have to get this out there. I cannot guarantee any of your results. I do not know how hard you're willing to work, how many hours you're willing to put in, who you are, and if you actually have the funds and the sources, the resources in order to make this work. So I can't guarantee you any result. But what I can tell you though is if you've got the will and you've got the burning desire inside of you and you do want to make this work and you do want to know how to make money online in South Africa, these are the three ways. And this last way is the best way that I've found in order for you to generate an income online. Okay, so that is it. Take action, comment, share this video, and I will get a hold of you. Okay, so that's it. Have a good day. Chat to you later. Cheers.